Pipedrive CRM full tutorial for beginners how to use Pipedrive. Hello guys, Ilya here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we use this CRM to perform our business, to grow it. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow these steps I do to not make any mistakes. As they say, this is a first CRM designed by salespeople for salespeople, and the design of this is quite good and the interface is quite easy to use. So let's get started. Basically we need to know that there are a lot of companies which trust this CRM. It works like we can create our pipeline, so we can create the stages of our sales funnel or use an existing templates there. We can add our deals or import them automatically from a spreadsheet or CRM. We can also track our progress, so we can get automatic alerts and reminders to keep deals on track. Sales forecasts update every time you move a deal down a funnel. And we can also automate our growth. We can review analytics and use AI technology to help us identify opportunities to close more sales. We can automate routine tasks and admin work. So there are a lot of different features like visual sales pipeline, customized pipeline, team collaboration, activity reminders, segment leads, contact history, web forms, reporting and dashboards, and of course revenue forecasting. So we have free version, and there is also paid plans. So we need to decide which plan is more suitable for us. So as you can see, there has a lot of different awards here, different award software. Pipedrive is recognized as a top-rated CRM tool and has earned over 6 industry-leading awards this year alone. Isn't that bad? So they also have a lot of different integrations with Zoom, Slack, Trello, Asana, HubSpot, Intercom, PandaDoc, Google Drive, and so on. We can find all of the extensions which are supported here. So let's get started. In order to try it for free, we need to click on try it for free in the right top corner right up here, and it will lead us to this form so we can create our account or just continue with Google or LinkedIn. So I've created an account already, passed my information. So here we need to choose the second stage. We need to choose which title describes job role best. So I would like to choose VP or CEO. And what is your experience with sales tools? So we need to click on I haven't used any sales tools before. And what do you need to do? Close deal faster, find new leads, manage relationships better, or let's choose close deals faster. So just click on next. Here we need to input our company name. Let's input the name of our channel. How big is your company? We have 2 to 10 people. And what is company industry? Basically we can choose something from here. Let it be energy basically. How many people in your company will use Pipedrive? Let it be 1, only me. Next. Now it was creating an account. It may take a little time. And now we are on our Pipedrive workspace here. In the top of the screen we have our search Pipedrive. We have some options to also get tutorial, so we can click it, close, and as you can see we have search in the top of the screen. In the left side menu we have our menu. We have leads, deals, projects, campaigns. We can also find the mail here, activities, contacts, insights, products, and marketplace. So in order to add the leads, we need to click on leads area here, and we have some menu here: leads inbox, live chat, chatbot, web forms, prospector, web visitor, and messaging. So in order to add the lead, we need to go to lead inbox and then just add a new lead right up here. So as you can see, now there is a lead form here. You can customize the fields visible in this view in settings. We can also track additional data and group your leads. So here we need to input our contact person here, name, organization, title, value, and so on. We can also change the currency, basically labels, And visible too, we can add the phone, we can add like is it work or personal, and we can also add the email there. So we can also try the lead booster. They have any option here, like, you know, for free we can try, and after that, is it like helpful for us, we can buy it. So if we'll go to deals, we can create like our deals here. We can click on deal, add deal. And after that, we can see that we can also customize the fields visible in this view. In settings, we can track additional data and group. Also add the contact person, organization, title. So let's add like John. Let it be like this, for example. Add it as a new contact, organization, something here. Also value, what is the value? Let it be like 10 USD. Pipeline stage, like expected close date, let it be, for example, like in a week maybe, and visible to item owners visibility group. So also we can add like phone and email, and we can click on save. And after that, as you can see, this like deal will appear here. So if we, for example, like did something like contact made, we can drag and drop it from this area to this area. Then just like demo schedule, proposal made, so we can use it like to proposal made. And what is like, you know, negotiation started, we can move it from negotiations from proposal made to negotiation started, and basically like this. So we also have like some options here. So as you can see, we can like add new pipeline, edit pipeline also. So if we need, for example, to add some stages here, we can edit our timeline, for example, like add the new stage, which is called maybe, let's name it like done, maybe something like this. And we can also like change the probability, routing in days. We can click on save basically. Yeah. So after that, our like new stage was successfully created, and it's pretty good. We can also change the view of our deals from pipeline to list, basically to forecast. We can go to project and find something which is interesting here. We can deliver your next big project, reach goals faster. Project by Pipedrive helps you plan, track, and deliver all the moving pieces for your next milestone. So you can also try it for free. As you can see, all the like options are provided for free. We can also go to products here and add some products, for example, we are dealing with. Basically, it's right up here, and also like marketplace. So this is a way of how can we like get started with Pipedrive. As you can see, we have like some options here. We can enter the billing details, but if we'll go to prices, we can see like it costs like 50 euros per month. So this is a way of how can we deal with pipeline and Pipedrive. Hope this video helped you out. If it is, please leave a like, comment and subscribe. I wish you a very good day, and goodbye.